10 years ago, this study was published in the top social psychology journal, claiming that people could predict the future. So does that mean that people can actually predict the future? No, it does not. But this paper was still very important because it arguably led to what is now known as the replication crisis. The replication crisis was the discovery that many psychology experiments, like that one, would not get the same results when replicated or repeated a second time. Some estimates have shown that less than half of psychology experiments get the same results when people try to do them again. But does the replication crisis mean, like many of my commenters like to tell me, that psychology isn't a science? Well, if you think that, then you'd also have to think that cancer research isn't a science, because cancer research has as bad or worse of a replication crisis. So does this all mean that we shouldn't trust science? No. But it doesn't mean that we should necessarily trust any single study in particular. Lots of single studies of varying degrees of quality get published that won't necessarily replicate. Science relies on building bodies of knowledge, many studies to support theories and claims. And if something doesn't replicate, theories should be revised and those claims should be abandoned. And while certain aspects of science can be improved, the scientific method is still probably the best way to figure out things about the world around us. I'm a psychology researcher. Follow to learn more about psychology.